LedWave had those spreadsheets that all the salesmen they use to generate the proposals. The main challenge here was to replace an existing CRM they used to have, and then we replace it with all the logic, all the formulas, all the coding, and created a custom application into their Salesforce. So imagine 60 people working with spreadsheets and sending by email back and forth, how complex it would be. Here, they would change initially manually all this information here, and they would generate a final proposal. What we did for them is, after understanding all their sales process, we got this and we created this custom application here. And then if you open Salesforce, we use a lot of light web components, LWC, and also Visual Force. We also integrate with Heroku, that has the platform as a service, also provided by Salesforce, in order to facilitate generation of proposals. LedWave likes to create proposals in PowerPoint files rather than static PDF files, because it gives some flexibility for them to tweak a little bit.